How are you guys? Today in the How to Monday, show you a little bit more of when we do our laundry, and especially because this time then we've been a while traveling, and we had a little bit of luck with some friends and family where we were able to do laundry there. But for now, for a little bit, we have been moving without being able to do laundry or finding a good place to do laundry. And this time we're mixing both, going to the groceries and doing laundry, because here in many places they have the laundry and for the drying the clothes outside sometimes of the grocery stores. And that's what you're gonna see a little bit in the video. I already spoke a little bit in Spanish about it, and I show the video. I'm gonna show a little bit more. But that's one thing of the how-to. That's one thing that when you live in Nomad way, you kind of like have to adjust to where you are, and also what needs to be done at that time before you maybe keep moving, because maybe where you're going, and because we're changing spots today, we're not sure if we're gonna find the same thing. Especially today, it's kind of like changing spots and changing countries. So we're taking advantage of that. We found this when we were parking to do the groceries, that they have the place for doing the laundry. So that's what you're gonna see. I'm not sure if you see it behind me, but I'm gonna go by there, and anyway, you'll see a little bit that recording, and then you see we also, well, while we wait, do the groceries and then work inside. And actually this I didn't say in Spanish, but you know, the important thing, a lot of this in the Nomad way, and when you're traveling like this and you need to do things, is the internet. Really, the connection is what works. So now while we are doing the laundry, we did the groceries, we were working inside. Florence is still inside. You're gonna see that I recorded her a little bit. Now I stepped out to do a little bit of the video on the How to Monday, and then continue go inside and then check also the laundry. So it's like that as you move. It's basically the same way that you're when you're in your house, but adjusting to different places. I hope everybody's doing well. Ciao. This is how it is. And you find it in different places, and it's extremely convenient. That's actually our clothes there. I think I've showed it already. I think I explained a little bit in Spanish, and when Florence was putting the stuff and so on. Now we have it in the dryer. This one takes 18 kilos, right? Kilos, yeah. And then so it's €2 for the drying, and then 8 for the washing. Now, you know, it may be, and that's 8 for the washing for the big of the 18 kilos. The 8 kilos is 4. So, you know, it's quite, you know, you can do a lot of laundry, is basically what I'm saying. And includes the soap, actually. This includes the soap. So this is one of a how-to, but also I'm showing you how it works here. And I think they have it, and in extremely convenient. I think whoever runs the business has a pretty good pack down business, because it's very, very good, very convenient. You see a lot of people using it, and it's a little bit of a cash business type of thing. So and it works by itself. You know, it's pretty well. Okay, ciao. So I had told you guys before, there's Florence inside. She's working. I think you guys see her. She's pretty concentrated. She's working on some stuff. And I mentioned before, it's just the internet is the important part. The how good the connection is. It is for us. I'm sorry, you know, I don't know if I trust the microphone too much, but for us, it is something that it makes is important. Sometimes more than the other, meaning that at this moment, if I'm not sure which one she's working on right now, but if she's working on her spreadsheet for work-related stuff, she can just update, and she doesn't have to be all the time connected. When I'm working on some and helping with some of the teaching and so on, just online, and helping her with some of the teaching there, we need more connections, because we're seeing the student online, you know, and sometimes it's not good if the audio doesn't go or the video doesn't go, although normally a lot of the students that we have are people that are kids young and savvy enough to know what happens, but you know, it's better if the connection is more steady. And then the one that we concern a lot when Florence has weekly meetings, that she's in the meetings and can be seen well, and you know, she can be part of the meeting properly. But besides that, you know, I was saying that, so today in how to, you know, I was showing the laundry, but you know, we do the laundry, the groceries, and working at the same time. And you see, this is just a parking, so we're just working on the parking, okay? Anyway, I wanted to add that, okay? Ciao.